Hey guitar enthusiasts, Lauren Bateman here. Welcome back. In this video, we're going to be going over an easy way to play the song Amazing Grace. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you two versions of this song. We're going to show you how to strum it first, and then I'm going to show you how to do some picking to make it sound really, really cool. So let's get into the lesson. So Amazing Grace is a really simple song in that it uses three chords, A, D, and E. And if you can play all of those, then you're good. If not, check out my links in the descriptions and you can go find how to play those chords. So first, before we get into the actual chord progression, let's talk about the strumming. So the strumming for this song is in what we call 6/8 time. So we're going to be counting to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when we're strumming, we're going to be doing all down strums. So if I play an A major chord, it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what we can do when we're playing is we can accent the fourth count. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm giving a little more oomph on that fourth beat. And you'll hear that I'm just strumming very lightly on the other strums. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're working on a little bit of dynamics. And if you can't do that yet, don't worry about it. Just do 6 down strums. So let's talk about our chord progression. The chord progression for this song is great, and that once you get one through kind of verse, it just starts repeating itself again. So the chord progression for this song is A, D, A, E, E, A, D, A, and then the last one is A, E, A. So all you have to do now is go apply the strumming pattern to that chord progression. So the first 4 chords of the chord progression are A, D, A. So let's just play through that really quick and show you how that's going to sound before we jump into the picking pattern. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, D, 4, 5, 6, A, 4, 5, 6. And there you go. That's basically all we're doing for the strumming pattern. So let's talk about how we can spice this up a little bit with some picking. If you guys are enjoying this video, real quick, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and leave me a cool comment. So let's jump into that picking section. So I've just got my pick here in my picking hand, and we're going to have to talk about what we're going to do for each of these chords. Now, each chord is played differently. So let's start with our D chord. Our D chord is a 4-string chord, so we're playing strings D, G, B, and E. And I'm going to say the string numbers. We're going to start on the 4th string, which is the D string, and we're going to play 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. So we're going down, 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 up, up. That's our progression, and it's timed over 6 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's how we get that progression or that picking pattern. So once again, it's going to be the 4th string to the 3rd string to the 2nd string to the 1st string, and then back up, 2nd string, 3rd string. That's how we do the D chord. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. So now let's talk about the A chord, which is a 5-string chord. So the A chord, we're going to start on the A string. And we're going to play the same kind of pattern. It's going to be 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. So starting on the 5th, the A string, we're going to go down, 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 up, up. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. And that's how we're going to play our A chord. So let's jump to the final chord, which is the E major. Now the E major chord, you would think we would just go 6, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, but we're not quite doing that. So we're going to have to skip over the 5th string to the 4th string. We're actually going to play this as 6, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. 6, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. So down, 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 up, up. Same pattern. And for those of you that this string skipping is difficult, what you might want to do is play your chord first and then watch your picking hand. And do that a bunch of times, watching your picking hand, and then close your eyes and see if you can do it without you should be able to do all these chords without needing to look at either of your hands. And if you can't do that right now, that's okay, but that's the goal eventually. So let me just play through a little bit so that you guys can hear how it's going to sound. So here we go. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. So you can hear how the picking makes this song sound really sweet and really beautiful, and that's what it is. It's an absolutely beautiful song. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next lesson video.